Hello guys, this is Preet Sivya back to you with yet another YouTube video. And unlike other videos, this video is gonna be super informative for all the people who want to be a writer or who want to, learn some writing skills in order to pass some tests like IELTS and all. And this video is literally gonna be super informative for you all because I'll be sharing all of my experiences like while I used to learn to write and how like I gained that perfection level. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so let's talk a bit about writing first. Writing can be easy or difficult depending upon the person to person, and it can be easy if you are, well knowledgeable about your topic and confident about, your grammar, your sentence construction, vocabulary, and your overall writing style. Or it could also be difficult for you if you lack the necessary skills to communicate efficiently, or you're not enough confident to talk your mind out. But the truth is that writing can be easy for everyone. You don't need to be a grammarian or that much proficient in English to write well. We already know that there are so many people who are not able to write that well in English, and it literally seems like a challenge to improve. Don't worry though, because here I am with some steps that you need to follow in order to improve your English writing skills and impress people with a good writing. In order to express yourself, you need a good active vocabulary, and this doesn't mean just being able to recognize a lot of words. It actually means that you must know that how a word is being used correctly, and you can always do this by learning new words and framing new sentences instead of making those boring word lists. So the tip here is that whenever you are learning a new word, try to learn all forms of that word and the prepositions that are usually used with that words. For example, you are learning a word depend, so you should also make a note of to depend on, to be dependent on, and or dependent, etc. So you must always know how to spell your words correctly, because incorrectly spelled words often change the meaning of your sentences. For example, BARE bear and BEAR bear, they almost sound the same, but BARE means naked and BEAR is a large animal. So the tip here is practice your spellings using some flashcards and test yourself whenever you have some spare time. I personally believe that a good writer is always a good reader. Reading is useful in many ways. If you are reading, it would help you to learn different styles of writing, how authors have expressed their thoughts in writing, and you would get to know about different types of words and how they are used appropriately. So the tip here is that first of all, I would like to say that learning shouldn't be boring. So you need to select all the books and articles and magazines or whatever that interests you in the English language, and you should read all of those texts again and again multiple times, so that you should get to know what is written and how the words are being used, how the expressions are being used in the text. Grammar is very important because it improves the quality of your writing. Always use appropriate tenses and punctuations, because punctuations, make your text more fluent and clear. So the tip here is always and always and always proofread your text twice. For the first time, look for all the general mistakes, and for the second time, look for all the grammatical mistakes related to the topic you are studying on. Writing can be daunting. However, the only way to improve is just grabbing a pen and a paper and sitting in front of your table and being prepared to write several versions of each text. Because even for professional writers, the first draft is never perfect. Always remember that practice makes a man perfect. So now is the best time to sit down and apply all those tips that you have learned today and get to improve your writing and impress yourself before impressing others. So on this beautiful note, let's end this video right here, and I'll be back soon with a new vlog or a new video. Until then, follow me on my Instagram and also hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Until then, bye, take care.